we have come to the helipad at Mirik. They are saying that from here actually this whole city of this Mirik could be visible. This one is the helipad. Hmm? This one is the helipad of Mirik. You see that H. Hmm? So this part is so nice. You could view. This one is the jungle. The village is here. Yeah, this part. This one is. The driver has said this one is Karsiang. From here, you could see this city Karsiang. So it was not known to us. Otherwise, we would have come to Mirik. Let me show you the other parts. That means from where the city Mirik is completely visible. Mama, देखो. This is the Mirik city. This is the Mirik city. This is the Mirik city. And this is the topmost area of this particular land. Let us come to that side. Let us come to that side. হেলিকপ্টার তো আসেনি মামা, হেলিকপ্টার আসবে দিয়ে এইখানে দাঁড়ায়, দেখো এই দেখো এইখানে দাঁড়ায়। হেলিকপ্টার আসবে, তোমাকে আমি হেলিকপ্টারও চাপাবো, এরোপ্লেনও চাপাবো, আমার চিন্তা নেই, সব জায়গায় চাপাবো। জাস্ট ওয়েট। সি, দিস ওয়ান ইজ মাই কিড, ইজ লুকিং ফর হেলিকপ্টার, হেলিকপ্টার অ্যান্ড হেলিকপ্টার। মনে হয় কোনো ফ্যাক্টরি বা হোমস্টেও হতে পারে। See, this one is the farthest, perhaps homestay only. This is the toppest area. This one we don't know what is this, but it seems a factory or the government, any organization. Okay, we will not stay here for a longer period of time because we have to make a long journey from here to NJP today with two more spots to visit. One is the monastery here, Mirik, and the second one is the Timling Garden. The third one is Dudhiara. That's all. Okay. Thank you very much.